Okay, so recording has been started. So in today's class, what I will do, I will um, I will walk you through group by. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through a group by. So what is group by? So am I audible? Am
Yes,
I
sir, you
audible?
are
Okay,
audible.
okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir, you are audible.
So see, you your main target in data engineering or data analysis or data mining or data science uh, uh, is uh, is one only to to um to count or aggregate the things for the dashboard. Okay, so let me walk you through what ETL process generally does. Right, you have a source file. Okay, you have a source file. It may be in the form of CSV or dot PDF or dot text file or something else dot parquet, any format you like. Okay, any format the client provides. You have to manipulate, you have to transform it. First you will receive in your storage layer. Okay, it is a general ETL format. What I am telling you, you will store it in storage layer, and after that, from the storage layer you will manipulate it. Okay, basically you will transform it transform it you will transform your data, and then after transformation, what will transform, what does transform say, I will teach you in another class, when where I will walk you through the actual data engineering process. Then I will tell you each and every layer in detail. Okay, just know, the first layer is a storage layer, the second layer a storage layer or and plus. Okay, the second layer is transform layer, and the third layer is your reporting layer. What is reporting layer? The question is, what is reporting layer? Mainly, when you are doing the ETL process, you basically are responsible to make the dashboards. What is a dashboard? What is a dashboard? Dashboard is a collection of graphs. Okay, graphs like scatter plots, pie charts. You might have heard about a scatter plots, pie chart. Okay, scatter plots, pie chart, and descriptive analysis. Okay, for your visual analysis, not descriptive. It is for visual analysis. Okay, for your better understanding of the result or cards. Okay, so this is called dashboard, collectively known as dashboard. Okay, and these are changeable. These the value change, the graph change on each refresh, on each refresh. Okay, when a new file comes, it processes. Basically, this is storage layer and this is process layer. These two are process layer. Okay, process layer. Okay, are you getting this? Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, and the final reporting layer will contain the data which will be feeded into the dashboard. Dashboard, what type of dashboard is available in the market? It's Tableau, Power BI, you might have heard about this. Okay, and many more. I know about these two. Okay, these two, Oracle BI is also there. These two three dashboards are there, on from which you can easily analyze your data if your data is trending upwards or going downwards, and what decision you want to basically, for decision, you you are required to view the dashboard to how you will take the decision, right? How you take this, suppose suppose you have a monthly salary, okay? Your monthly salary is suppose 50,000, okay? And your expenditure on per month basis is 45,000, okay, per month. And you are about to, and your monthly expenditure is at least 45,000, and you are almost bound to expend 45 plus every month. Will you be able to buy a refrigerator then? No. So how much, so how many months you will take to buy a refrigerator? The question is that. Okay, so this is a scenario. How you will tackle this? You will have to minimize your expenditure, right? For buying anything you have to, and your salary is 50,000, and your expenditure is 45,000 plus. You will not be able to buy anything, right? Any new item, right? With 5,000, because 5,000 will come in miscellaneous, right? Miscellaneous item. So you will think about it, how to manage it. So you'll prepare a chart, and that is called dashboard. Okay, you'll prepare a chart, and based on that chart you will take the decision, how much I can remove from expenditure. Suppose you are expending on movies every month, expending you are spending 3,000 on movies every month, so you will reduce that. You will not see movie for next 2 months, and this 6,000, this 6,000 amount will be saved in your refrigerator amount, buying refrigerator amount. Okay, so this type of decision can be made in the dashboard. Okay, so dashboard is very very helpful when you are making any decisions. Okay, so now why I'm telling you this, what is the purpose to see it in the group buy? Okay, is it related to group buy? Yes, it is definitely related to group buy, because when you are transforming something and you are making a report of something, you need to aggregate the things. Okay, what is aggregation? What is aggregation? This, remember this word. What is aggregation? Aggregation is to collect, to collect and perform any operation, operation to collect similar objects and perform any operation on them. Okay, suppose, let me walk you through one example. Suppose you have a bag, okay, in which you have some white balls. This is white ball, okay, and now you have some red balls, okay, red balls, and now you have some blue balls, sorry, purple balls. Okay, so these three type of balls you have. Can you tell me how many balls white have? How many balls white have? Can you tell me how many balls the red have? Oh, oops, red have. And can you tell me how many balls blue have? Sorry, this brinjal color, what is, whatever it is, purple. Can you tell me? You have to count. You have to count. Okay, you have to count it in this bag. Please tell me.
Four
Four is
white,
the white. Okay, how
five,
many red?
five
Five. How many pink, purple?
blue, three, three.
Three. So how did you do that? I will tell you I will ask you a very very general question. How did you do that?
Simple addition.
Simple addition, but your brain collectively grouped it into three parts. Okay, the first part is white. Okay, first part is white. Okay, second part is this red. Okay, third part is this purple. So what your brain did here, your brain grouped the things. Okay, you have make a grouping of things. You group the things based on color. Okay, what you have what your brain did, group the group the ball by color. Okay, okay, what you will say this, group the balls by color. What you have done here, you have grouped the things. Okay, and this is what SQL does. Okay, what your data analysis process, what you will do in your upcoming lessons, you will group the things based on certain attributes. So what is group by? So group by is nothing. Group by group group by is grouping the things or collecting the things, collecting the attributes, collecting the records by attributes. Okay, attributes or nature. No, not nature, don't write nature. Okay, did you get this? This is a very simple example. Okay, so now, did you get it? Did you get it? You have grouped the things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let me make you understand in terms of table. Okay, i will I will get you in terms of table. So this is the same thing, right? This is the same thing what I am going to tell you. Okay, I am making a table. Okay, what it is? It is color. My first column name is color. Okay, and I want you to make the table. and when you class do the class, just uh, prepare a table. Okay, so, and this is count. CNT is count. Okay, so uh, black, uh, uh, one, not black one. uh, uh, okay, black, black, black. How should I count? This will do the sum, right? So I'm not interested in the sum. I will okay, just do that like this only. Sorry. White, the first ball. White, the second ball. White, the third ball. White, the fourth ball. How much it is? White, fourth ball. Similarly, what you will do? Similarly, you will do like red one, red one, red one, red one, red one. Okay, five reds. And here is space. Okay, just three more, and you will over. Purple one, purple. This is value. Okay, this is value. Count is value. Okay, don't confuse. One. So this is your table. Don't try to make the table. This is just for understanding. It's okay. Okay. So what you have done here? What you have done here? You will do. You will you have just summed up the things. Okay. Here, what you have done? You have summed up for white. What you have done? Just you have sum up the things. One plus one plus one plus one. Sorry. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, what you have done for this, you have sum of the things. Okay, and what for purple, you have sum of the things. And now you can see the result is white for 4, red for 5, and purple for 3. Okay, okay, is this okay? So now you will, when once you write the in terms of query, don't don't mm, concentrate on the query currently. I will just I will teach you how to do that, but for now just try to understand. Select color, okay, and sum of cnt, okay, from table, wall table, okay. Group by, this is the syntax, group by color. How you have done the group by color, okay, by attribute. What is the attribute here? It is color. And what you are counting, you are counting the occurrence. Okay, okay. And this is the aggregate function. I will tell you aggregate function tomorrow. Okay, so this is an overall uh, overall uh, demo what I want willing to share with you for today's class. Okay, was this lecture good enough?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the viewers who are watching this video, please do like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.